transaction. The data consumer directly queries the data source's FHIR endpoint using a standard FHIR RESTful search. I recommend looking and referring to the US core specification for the searches that are supported, and it's like I said, it's a basic synchronous. It's a synchronous FHIR RESTful search. So if we look at our CDEX RI dashboard right here, the second button is the direct query interaction. There's a little, when you hover over all these buttons, you'll get a little overview description of what they do. So let's go ahead and click on this, and it'll come up with a little list, here's the patient listed above, that when we signed into here, we got a context of a patient and a provider. So we have the patient here, we have a little list box. If we click on that, we'll see we have some canned or pre-filled search conditions in here. The first two are search for all observations on this patient. The second one's for searching in all conditions. The third one is specifying the type of observation or the observation code that's searched for. So it's searching for specifically H1C codes. You also can put a custom scenario in here, and you can explore that. We'll leave that to the implementer user of this to explore that option as well. Let's go ahead and click on one of these. We'll click on condition. If we click on that, we make that direct query request. Again, we're going to make a search. Right here is a search. The endpoint is to the FHIR server condition endpoint, and it's going to be for this patient. This is the patient ID. For that particular patient. So basically we're finding all conditions for this particular patient, and we have in here in this little white text box the actual response from that request, and the response is a search bundle with two responses in this case, and you can see down here we have one is an infection. The second one is going to be, I believe, a bad heart. Let's see. Yeah, there's a heart valve disorder. Okay, so that is our FHIR CDEX direct query exchange.